Oh, hello there! Today is all about headstand basics. To start a headstand, you always want to think about a triangle. The top of the triangle is your head, and the bottom is your hands. Creating this basic tripod shape is the basis and the foundation to holding your headstand. The point is to get your hips over top of your shoulders so that you can really get a nice lift on top to create a straight line. So the first exercise is bringing your knee over on top of your triceps or your elbows and holding a tripod or teddy bear shape. It's always good to have a wall behind you as it ensures your safety that you will not fall over, and if you do fall over, it's always good to have an escape plan, which would be to tuck your head and roll. This one's a pike press-in exercise where you're basically trying to keep the weight on the top of your head and your hands, pushing your palms into the floor and adding in a press-like action. So you're doing it in a pike position and doing it in a straddle position. You're really trying to practice how to lift your booty on top of your shoulders with control. Just keep an eye out for neck tension when doing that exercise, that way you don't cause any strains. The next one is doing a needle leg lift up to the sky. So you're lifting one leg at a time with control, trying to get that hip in line with the shoulders on top of your head to create a nice straight line. As you get stronger, you can start to float off the floor. So try to avoid pushing off the floor by kicking too hard and by pushing with that bottom leg. You're more trying to think about floating and lifting by pressing those palms into the floor and really creating a nice hip line on top of yourself. Once you're able to get to the top, you can practice taking your heels off the wall and doing some fun shapes if you feel comfortable. You'll want to watch out for when your body wants to tilt over to one side, to either the right or the left. So in that case, you can always go into a straddle down position and make sure that you're catching yourself on your foot. So here's the straddle coming down and then catching yourself on a foot. Thanks for joining me on this short little tutorial, and have fun training.